used to keep the unwanted visitors away, the giant mouse trap.
Yeah, or I think it's right by like the lion or something, so it's really more of a lion trap versus a mouse trap.
But how cool, can you imagine coming up on that, just coming down the road and seeing all this stuff? You're like, wow, what is this?
And yeah, I think we mentioned it, but this is right next to Buzzboom Castle, which is another story I did a long time ago. Back when we were not HD and you didn't get to see our faces like this. But yeah, Buzzboom Castle is like, you know, less than a mile away on the same road.
Something to check out. Well, cool. You can see all of Joe Barlow's stories online too, right?
Please do.
Please do.
Just do a search for Joe Barlow.
And now it's time to enjoy some taste of Mexico and the Caribbean.
We're blending those flavors today, melding them, if you will, in today's Simple Gourmet.
Yes.
Amanda Pichi with the University of Illinois Spice Box joins us again with the recipe for island dip.
Okay, so what was your inspiration?
So inspiration, it was really my family and my friends and everything, and just coming together, and it really spoke to me, this theme. It really said, hey, pick me, pick me. So I said, you know what? Okay.
And I worked really hard on whipping up that cream cheese sour
and
cream
look
mixture.
how nicely that turned out.
Isn't that amazing, Joe?
You did that?
So nice.
I did.
How does
her biceps are sore.
Does that stay on the chip better than like peanut butter or something?
Do you know what? I think it does.
Okay.
I think it does.
Well, I'm going to try it.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Let's dive in, and we have some fresh cilantro and something else you were talking about too, the colors. It's the vibrant colors and taste of the Caribbean.
Absolutely. And I actually picked the blue chips because, you know, just why not add more color?
Sure.
So,
I like it. Well, I like the look.
Yeah, go to town. I want to ask you too, Amanda. People are going to get a chance to sample this at your upcoming event.
Yes, this is actually my appetizer, so everybody will get their own little sample.
So tell us about what they can experience at the Spice Box when they come to your themed event, Island Bound.
Yes. Okay. Well, what to expect is, you know, a lot of this. So a lot of color, a lot of flavor. I have the 4-course prefix and then the 3-course special. So it should be really good. Starting off with this and ending with a key lime pie. So what's not to like?
Oh, my word, for sure.
Yeah.
I know it's not a competition, but this is better than the Pinterest thing.
Joe.
I'm sorry. Heather, it wasn't your recipe. It was Pinterest.
I thought we were friends.
Amanda, this was delicious.
I shouldn't have.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
We appreciate
Thanks for having me.
Hey, you can check out the recipe online right now, CILiving.tv. And, of course, sample it at Amanda's Dinner Friday, May 2nd. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy Monday. Happy Tuesday. See you tomorrow.